Introducing the LI4278. With its ability to read both paper and electronic 1D barcode, retailers can easily process 1D mobile coupons, digital loyalty cards, and more. The LI4278 also offers a read range of 30 inches, and the LI4278 is built to withstand over 100 drops at 5 feet or 1.5 meters to protect against downtime from breakage due to everyday drops. High-performance architecture increases productivity and lowers power consumption for longer battery life. For manufacturers, the LI4278 delivers a quick, accurate read of high-density 1D barcodes. The LI4278 uses Bluetooth version 2.1. Whatever your business needs may be, Zebra is here to provide you with a scanning solution and support you require.